back, everyone, to That Time I Tuned Into a Podcast just to listen to someone shill for a publisher. I'm your host, Zeke Changers, along with the editor-in-chief of Honey's Anime, the man who thinks the I in IHOP stands for Isekai, Alfonso Ortiz. How you doing, Fonzie?
I grew up as an anime fan myself, and I had a need, and my friends had a need, so we said, let's build a website that we can all watch anime on, and it started from there. For anime fans, we want to deliver to them the most complete, deep experience possible. We started co-financing, co-production of animation content with our joint venture with Sumitomo. To date, we've probably co-produced, co-financed like 50 plus titles. And it's not a big well-known fact, but what that means is fans who are subscribers or viewing ads, their money is going directly towards financing the future creation of anime.
From the early hours of each morning, the Dog Tag Bakery is mixing up batches of handmade goods while providing valuable work experience for disabled veterans. The bakery offers a work-study program that supports veterans by providing them with a high-quality business education in partnership with Georgetown University.
Dog Tag came together by two visionaries, Father Rick Curry and Connie Milstein, who both have a focus in baking and wanted to come together to create a mission geared towards veterans with disabilities and spouses, getting them back into the workforce and getting them into education.
The program is open to all who have served the United States military, including Sham Hassan.
I have been given this opportunity because of my former affiliation with the U.S. government as a former U.S. Army translator. And I am among my family.
Another way you can support the bakery is by purchasing one of the dog tags that hang in the chandelier of the bakery for $250, in which you can have the name of a veteran you love inscribed. Reporting in Georgetown, I'm Zeke Changuras.
For some, this latest winter storm brought more than just snow and wind. It brought sleepless hours and frustration at the airport.
Horrible. Had to sleep here. Been here for more than 24 hours now.
This traveler trying to head back home to New York has been stuck here at Reagan National.
I should be able to get on my flight, but I was scheduled for a flight at 6 a.m., but that got canceled too.
She's not alone. Around the country, some 5,000 flights have been canceled between yesterday and already today. More than 1,500 this morning alone.
I need to calm down because my nerves are shot. I don't know how I'm going to get home now. I'm going to have to hitchhike because I'm afraid to get on a plane again.
Crews spent hours working to clear the tarmac and runways and the critical job of de-icing planes ready to take off. But with that comes delays, and today some 2,000 flight times have been changed. It has already been a long day for Richard Truman, even before boarding his flight.
We transferred on 2 trains, went to the metro, transferred twice. You know, that's count driving to the airport with a 4-wheel drive vehicle. I feel like I've been on a trip already.
No curbside check-in when the frigid temperatures are this low. Lori Kelly is just glad to finally be with her family after an exhausting last 2 days.
Your flight is canceled. Oh, man. I get here this morning and we sit on the runway while literally at the airport for over an hour.
And at last check this afternoon, Reagan National has had about 130 canceled flights today. That's going and coming. And if you're scoring at home, BWI and Dulles each have had about half that number. Reporting live, John Gonzalez, ABC 7 News.
Video visits are a convenient option for patients to receive top quality care without leaving the comforts of their own home. While they're a helpful tool, they do pose an obstacle in creating a trusting relationship between patient and caregiver. There are a few conscious choices you can make to establish rapport, show professionalism, and enable clear communication that will enhance the experience for everyone involved. Lighting will often be out of your control, but you can make small adjustments like pulling down a shade or turning a lamp on or off to avoid backlighting. Backlighting can create a shadow on your face, which can be a major obstacle to communicating effectively through a video camera. Make sure there's nothing around that could distract you or the patient. We notice everything on camera: food, drinks, or clutter can distract from the focus of the video visit. Unfortunately, you won't have a cozy office and welcoming staff to establish a warm and caring atmosphere. You're all you have to communicate who you are and what you can provide. The camera picks up flyaway hairs and food stuck between teeth as it magnifies and focuses our attention. Heightened attention to your personal presentation is an important consideration to make patients feel comfortable and cared for.
A rock, a river, a tree, hosts to species long since departed.
And liftoff of STS-7 and America's first woman astronaut.